spots.
Got it. I'm ready.
Still want me to tie to the boat?
Everyone, welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will be doing a quick review and testing of the most powerful PlayStation 4 games with high settings for the largest super handheld PC. Manufactured by Chinese company Qingchen DA for manufacturing and modifying modern advanced handheld PC devices. It is a high-performance portable console RTX4070 with a 10.1-inch screen. With a large PS4 Joystick vibration and gyroscope feature, very cool. The super handheld PC comes with an AMD R7 8845H processor. With a graphics card unit RTX4070 with 32GB RAM DDR5 with Windows 11 and an internal space of 2TB nvme SSD. The device features a 10.1-inch screen with more than 10 million colors available with a brightness of 1100 nit, and features a fully laminated touchscreen with a resolution of up to 1920 by 1200 at a frequency of 60 FPS, and the 50 watt-hour battery, with the body made of highly durable and lightweight carbon fiber, with USB 2.0 ports on the back and an HDMI cable port.
Okay, see how parts of it are glowing? Those are its weak spots.
Got it. I'm ready. Another one's coming.
Found some.
Get in the boat, boy.
Still want me to tie it to the boat?